How to use autofill in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So I will show you by autofilling numbers first. Here I'm starting from this cell. I have written these three numbers serially, vertically in the cell. Now in order to autofill the rest of the cell, what you will have to do is here put your cursor over here until you see this crosshair. Now drag it down and now you can see there is autofilled numbers. But unfortunately what you cannot do is when you do this, like copied from this cell to this cell, and now when you try to drag this down, the numbers will not be autofilled but will be copied. So yeah, if you find a drop down button here, tap on it and you can change the settings, and instead of copying all the numbers you can have it to autofill. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.